Everyone, I'm Ankur Singh, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about punishment of fine. What should be amount of fine? Amount of fine is fixed by sections of law. It is written in provisions of any law that the amount of fine will be. As it is written in section 154 of Indian Penal Code that maximum fine of the for the offence will be 1,000 rupees, or in section 510 that maximum fine is 10 rupees. Now the question is, if the amount of fine is not written in any section, then how much should be the fine? Generally, people understand that amount of fine depends on the what kind of offense is. Big offenses have big fine, small offenses have small fine. Do you also think so too? If you think so, then you misunderstood it. According to the section 63 of Indian Penal Code, amount of fine depends on the financial conditions of the offender. If the rich, if he is rich, he will have fine more. If he is poor, he will be fined less. Section 63 says amount of fine may be unlimited but not be excessive. This phrase unlimited but not be excessive is explained in Kautilya's economics. Kautilya writes in his book that if the amount of fine becomes too much, then people will be out of control. If fine is too low, then fear of punishment will be vanished from the people. Thus, amount of fines should be decided keeping both the parties in mind, and this is also explained in section 63 of Indian Penal Code. Let's understand it with an example. Suppose if a man who earns 10,000 or 12,000 yearly and he doesn't have a house to live, and he commits a biggest crime, and you are the judge of his case, you said to pay 1 crore as a fine. If he sells himself also, he cannot pay this fine in his whole life. And suppose if a rich man who has lots of wealth does any small crime and comes to court, and judge said to him to pay a fine of 500 rupees, will there be any fear in his mind? The answer is no. Fine will depend upon paying capacity of the offender, not on the crime. That's only it is said that it will be unlimited. It can be thousands of crores, and excessive means not more than paying capacity of the offender. Hope you understand the concept of fine. Thank you.